Hello viewers, welcome guys. Hope you all are doing well. Behind me is the luxury boot factory. In this company, a luxury boot is being manufactured from camel hide. My name is Jhone and you are watching my channel, Behind the Production. Today, we are taking you inside Purim and showing you exactly how a luxury boot is made from start to finish. Watch this video all the way through Guide and enjoy the entire manufacturing process. Let's go.
So, if you are new here and visiting my channel for the first time, then please click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon and set to all so you never miss my upcoming videos.
In the Arabian Desert, thousands of camels begin a journey, ending as $5,000 custom boots. Each camel lives in a monitored pen, divan, a professional system producing the world's finest camel leather. Premium leather begins with premium care. Every camel gets a measured diet engineered for hide quality. Green hydration maintains hide suppleness directly tied to the final luxury product's texture and feel. Before any hide is harvested, every camel undergoes health inspection. Leather quality is determined long before the factory. Consistent grooming keeps skin free from damage and scarring allows, which would reduce the leather's commercial grade. Every camel has a documented health history. Data ensures only the healthiest animals with highest grade hides are selected. Not every camel qualifies. Only grade A animals, verified by RFID data, are selected for the factory. With finest camels selected and trucks in position, the carefully managed journey to the factory begins. The convoy moves out. Carrying the finest camel hides, these trucks begin the journey to $5,000 boots. The convoy travels across the open desert Punani, moving closer to where raw hide becomes luxury leather. Inside each truck, animals are monitored continuously. The hide must arrive perfect. Any damage impacts final quality. After hours on the road, the convoy reaches a state-of-the-art facility where raw hide transformation truly begins. Every delivery is fully documented, maintaining a complete chain of quality from farm to factory. Inside this facility, raw camel hide undergoes a precise multi-stage process to become exclusive luxury leather. At the receiving bay, a trained unloading team handles animals calmly, protecting hide quality until the last moment. Each animal is individually scanned upon arrival, confirming identity, health grade, and place in production sequence. Inside the holding area, every animal settles after transport. The same standard of care continues until processing. The animals have arrived, been verified, and settled. Now the factory turns camel hide into $5,000 boots. Beyond these doors, the quality control team stands ready. In luxury manufacturing, precision is not optional. It is everything. Every great product begins with a vision. This corridor connects the outside world to precision craftsmanship inside. Welcome to the production floor. Thousands of square meters exist for one purpose: the world's finest camel leather boots. Science meets craftsmanship. From raw hide to luxury boot, every step happens here, under one roof. The raw camel hide arrives heavy and coarse. The transformation from this to premium leather starts now. UV inspection reveals imperfections invisible to the naked eye. Only grade A hides continue the journey. Before chemical treatment, raw hides are hung and prepared for the first fundamental cleaning stage. Raw hide carries dirt and oils from months on the farm. Every trace must be removed before luxury manufacturing. High-pressure washing removes visible contamination. The hide must be cleaned at a molecular level next. Chemical soaking breaks down organic matter at a molecular level, preparing hide fibers for tanning. The fleshing machine removes everything that doesn't belong. Only pure, clean hide fiber remains for tanning. Microscopic analysis confirms fiber density and structural integrity before the hide proceeds to tanning. Thickness uniformity is critical. Luxury boots require consistent density across the entire leather surface. Tensile strength testing confirms the hide withstands construction stress and years of luxury wear. Natural camel grain is extraordinary. Surface assessment confirms premium grain character for $5,000 boots. Every test passed. Every grade confirmed. Now comes the most dramatic transformation. Tanning. Tanning preparation is precise chemical science. Even a small variation can ruin luxury leather. The tanning drums are the heart. Chemistry restructures protein fibers into stable, durable, beautiful leather. Inside the drum, tanning agents penetrate every fiber, giving leather strength, suppleness, and decay resistance. The transformation is visible when the drum opens. Stiff, pale hide becomes supple amber leather. Post-tanning quality control confirms luxury-grade camel leather. Ready for precision craftsmanship stages ahead. Sequential washing removes residual tanning chemicals, preparing leather for conditioning and finishing stages ahead. Neutralization is critical. Residual acidity would break down leather fibers and shorten boot life. Fat liquoring gives luxury leather its soul. Oils penetrate every fiber for softness and luster. Setting and stretching maximizes usable hide area while ensuring a perfectly smooth, wrinkle-free surface. At this stage, the leather is extraordinary, but excess moisture must be removed with precision. Controlled drying engineers precise moisture content. Too dry or too moist both ruin the leather. Dry milling is the final softening stage. Mechanical action creates tactile softness chemistry cannot replicate. Surface buffing creates the smooth underside. That makes luxury leather boot construction possible. One final quality checkpoint ensures every hide entering dyeing meets the exact luxury standard. Everything so far has been preparation. Now camel hide becomes boot leather with color and finish. Every luxury leather product begins with a precise color formula, measured to fractions of a gram. The first dye coat establishes base color. Multiple coats build depth and richness into the leather. Multiple dye coats worked into the grain by hand create color integrated into the leather structure. The base coat locks dye in place and begins building a protective barrier for decades of beauty. Feel the difference. Several finishing coats remain, each adding protection, sheen, and luxury character. The top coat is the luxury layer. Every millimeter of this application must be perfect. Align the grain perfectly. Heat and pressure permanently set the grain character. Leather that is uniquely, unmistakably camel. Send it to inspection. Final finishing inspection is the last quality gate before luxury leather becomes a luxury product. Finished luxury leather is climate controlled. Every hide arrives at the cutting table in perfect condition. This leather becomes a $5,000 boot. Now the craftsmen take over. The real artistry begins. The craftsmanship floor is where leather-making science meets boot-making art. Every skill justifies the price. Pattern layout is critical. The finest grain sections go to the most visible parts of the boot. The master cutter's blade follows the trace line without deviation. No margin for error. Skeeving is invisible but essential. Perfectly thinned seams separate luxury boots from ordinary ones. Look at that edge. You'll never see it inside the boot, but you'll feel it every time. The saddle stitch is gold standard. 2 needles, 1 thread, pulled tight by hand. Unbreakable. Hand stitching defines visible exterior seams. Machine stitching reinforces structural interior seams for durability. For the first time, the boot reveals itself. Components assemble into a recognizable luxury boot upper. Lasting gives the boot its final shape. The craftsman's trained hands create perfect tension and silhouette. From a camel's back to this perfectly formed upper. The final transformation stages are about to begin. Goodyear Welt Construction is the hallmark of luxury. Every sole component is individually prepared and sized. The Goodyear welt stitch locks upper, welt, and insole together. This allows resoling across generations. Cork filling, double stitching, layered leather soles. A boot built to last a lifetime. The moment the last is removed, the boot is born. It stands on its own, unmistakably luxury. Oldest boot, $5,000 of human skill, premium material, and extraordinary process. Almost complete. The stacked leather heel is built 1 lift at a time. Craft felt with every step. A glass-smooth, richly colored sole edge is the mark of a master craftsman who finishes everything. Polish applied by hand with a horsehair brush. Watch the shine build. 3 coats. The master inspector examines every millimeter. A $5,000 product must be flawless. From a camel's back to a luxury product, this boot tells a story that begins with a camel. The packaging is the boot's first impression. Every element says exceptional, careful, and built to last. From this factory, boots travel to London, Paris, Dubai, New York, and Tokyo. Every pair represents thousands of hours of work, from desert farmers to factory craftsmen. The destination. A luxury boutique where 18 stages of manufacturing come together in one extraordinary product. The destination. A luxury boutique where 18 stages of manufacturing come together in one extraordinary product. A camel in the desert. 18 stages. This boot tells your story and theirs. The moment a customer touches this leather, they understand exactly why it is worth $5,000. The first time you put them on, you understand everything. This boot was made for this moment. From desert to boutique, a story of extraordinary craft and human skill. Now completed. Desert to hide, hide to leather, leather to boot, boutique to you. 18 stages, one product. If this journey inspired you, subscribe. The world's most remarkable manufacturing stories are waiting for you here.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like it, then please click on the like button and also share your opinions in the comment section.